Hello guys, welcome to WS Work channel. This video will teach you how to check disk usage on Linux systems. You can copy the commands into video description and use it on your terminal. Step 1. To show general disk informations, Step 2. To show actual folder. Step 3. To login as root user. Step 4. To navigate to root folder. Step 5. To show 5 most bigger directory on disk or solid state drive disk. Some process may be occupying files on disk. You can ignore them. Thanks for being here. You will always be welcome onto WS Work channel.